is a set of Wera tools for general maintenance. It comes with 35 pieces including Kraftform VDE handle and 12 insulated blades. You also get a screw holder. Eight included sockets can be used with Zyklop ratchet. For bits, use the Rapidapter. It allows for fast change of bits. For hardly accessible spaces, you can use one of two extensions. The Wera set also comes with a small slotted screwdriver and a joker wrench in the most common sizes 10 and 13. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.